Dentcoin holders, how are you? Hope you're doing good, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about Dentcoin price update, guys. What surprise changes occur in the Dentcoin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Now guys, at this time, if you talk about the right now price of Dentcoin to 0.003932 USD dollar, that is right now price of Dentcoin. And guys, furthermore, if we study the changes update, so now last 1 hour update is positive 0.49%, last 1 day, last 1 week changes is going completely negative, guys. But don't look these previous update, just look here the latest update of Dentcoin. The latest update of Dentcoin are going positive, so that's mean that we are happy, guys, because and the latest time didn't start pumping, guys. So what you think, what is your prediction about Dentcoin? Also share in the comment box, guys. Oh my god, that's too complicated price chart. So here now you can see, oh my god, just look here, guys. In the previous time, now there is the latest update, guys. Last 1 hour the price start pumping, guys. As I predicted that possibilities that for a long time Dentcoin continue this pump, so I think now they start pumping, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. What is your prediction? What is your update? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.